Welcome to the Tiger Mom's kitchen. Today we're gonna cook vegan chicken and vegan beef. We're gonna cut slice. That's the vegan beef. I'm gonna cut. Okay, now we're gonna use 2 eggs. 1, 2. We need some flour. Now we're gonna put on the plate, and then we're gonna start to cook. Okay, now I put the vegetable beef inside of the egg. For 30 seconds, and then we're gonna turn it. On the top, the light color is the chicken. The bottom, dark color, it's the vegetable beef. I'd like it to put a decoration a little bit, and then taste good, look beautiful. Sweet sour sauce. This is fried vegetarian chicken and the vegetarian beef. Very delicious. Try. So delicious.